how to see messages on Snapchat from non-friends. So if you want to see messages on Snapchat from non-friends, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. Go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. And under settings, you need to scroll down, and if you scroll down, then you will find an option of contact me. So you need to find contact me. You will have that under privacy control, and here you need to select only friends. Once you've selected only friends, then you just need to simply go back and you will have an option of my friends right here. So we'll tap on my friends. So keep in mind that you won't be able to see the message request until you accept their friend request. So you can go back and then you can just go with add friends, and here you will have all of the friends that have invited you to be their friend. But you will only be able to check the message request once you accept the friend request. So there's no way that you can check the message request without being friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.